Okay, today we are trying to open a front ashtray cubby that has something stuck underneath of it. To start with, we're going to remove this piece of trim right here. To do so, we're going to use our plastic trim tool, go underneath, and there's a release right here on both sides. We're going to gently do that, and that should allow us to pull this piece out. Trickier than you might think, is you can't really see what you're doing here. Key is, in my eyes, to be gentle. Don't need to break anything. There we go. That side, how about this side? There you go. Takes a fair little twist there. It's harder than I thought it might have been to do so, but not too horribly bad, I guess. And wow. Just by removing that, I was able to get into this area, and we have an offending chapstick and the cigarette lighter itself. Now works perfectly. Pretty cool. Well, considering that repair is now complete, I think we'll clean this up, put it back together. Here for reference are the clips that we were releasing. So it's about an inch in on each side. And we were removing, this here's the little bit of a locking tab. So we were going in here and we were twisting to push this tab down so that would be released. Really quite a simple process. Now we're just going to put this back into position. Here, looks like both sides need to go in a little bit. You know what? It's a lot easier to put back into place with the ashtray piece open. Now we're just going to push this in. That's it. Good as new.